In this video, I will share with you how to add social media links in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and select websites list. If you have multiple websites in this list and you want an easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger builder, just look for this little icon next to each website. These first two websites are WordPress websites, and the third one is built using Hostinger website builder. Click on Edit Website button. These are my social media links added on this website built using Hostinger website builder. How to have your own ones here? Just select the header section first. Click on this Edit Header button and go to the Elements tab and check this option or enable this option next to Show Social Icons. As you can see, they are automatically added in this black color. Click on Edit Social Icons to go directly to the Style tab and select social icons from this list. Now you can add a new link, for example, TikTok. Let's say I want to add my TikTok, for example, Ben's experience. Click on this check button and the social media platform icon will be automatically added for you. Now let's say I don't have LinkedIn, and to delete it, click on this little wheel and select delete. And to add your own links here, just click on this on the same wheel and click on edit, and here fill in your social link. And to reorder them, just drag them from these 6 dots and order them as you want. Now to edit the the icons designs in the normal state, you can make them bigger or smaller using this icon size slider. Same thing for the icon color. You can pick it from this list. Let's go with this blue color. You can also edit the icons design on the hover state. Hover means when the mouse pointer is on top of this link. Let's say on the hover state, I want to make them red. Click on icon color, select red. And now when the mouse pointer is on top of each social media platform icon, the color turns to red. Now close this window and don't forget to update your website to view your changes live. These are my links, and if I place my icon, my mouse pointer on top of them, they turn to this red color. And this is how to add social media links in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.